Oh, hey there, friends. I'm Katsy the Qrafty Qomic. I'm a corporate comedian, a vested actor, a quilter, and a quirky crafter. And this is a little bit about me. Oh, me. This me. I wear this to bed. I don't want COVID sneaking up on me. I made one, and I don't think I did it right. This one right here, this was a bra, and I think you got to have small. This ain't working right, is what I'm saying.
That's awesome.
Hi again. Some of my film and TV credits include Roseanne and True Lies. I was a Star Search semi-finalist and have opened for major acts, including a 2-year tour as the opening act for Patti LaBelle. I learned to quilt in the early 2000s by watching shows I'd taped VHS style. Eleanor Burns' Quilt in a Day series and Alex Anderson's Simply Quilts were incredible shows that sparked my creativity in and outside the box. The very first quilt guild I visited, a nice lady walked up to me and asked how my handwriting was. And that's how I became recording secretary for the Glendale Quilt Guild. I'm still a member today. I've done shows worldwide and even entertained our military in Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Djibouti, Africa. I did comedy in a Berber camp in the Sahara Desert, and I'm one of very few corporate comedians to sling jokes at rocket scientists at NASA JPL. My Life with Pieces, a comedy trunk show, is my lecture, where I mix my brand of humor with my love of crafts. For workshops, I offer a few. I have the Dangler class, where you will design your own personal zippered bags with a see-through front pocket for your cell phone. Keep your private items private while the clear pocket reveals who's calling with just a glance. Voicemail. In my Make It, Quilt It, Mail It class, we will design real, snail-mailable fabric postcards. No envelopes needed. They can be mailed naked with postage through the postal system. Put it in a quilt, the ultimate scrapbook page. Clean out that junk drawer and let's create your very own scrapbook quilt. My workshops are kid-friendly. So, that's a little bit about me. Find me on my socials and let's make some memories and fun. I'm Katsy the Qrafty Qomic.